guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video. I hope everyone is having a great day. This is the second week for this ad cycle. That means that all the deals have reset and you can do them again. We go back the same 3 instant CRT like we did last week. That's the $5 for the Revlon, the $3 for the CoverGirl or Sally Hansen product, and the 2 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis or the whole blends. With that being said, let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on Sally Hansen products. They're on a tier deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box bag or buy 3 get $7 extra care box bag. This deal doesn't track, so you have to do it in one transaction. Pick up 2 of the Sally Hansen Hard as Nail, priced at $4.19 each. Both will total $8.38. We have a $1 off Sally Hansen Nail Care Product digital coupon. This is no longer available if you have not clipped it in the past. And today we received a $3 off Sally Hansen CRT. And this CRT also works for CoverGirl. But using it with this deal, pay the $4.38 and get $4 extra care box back, making both just 38 cents or 19 cents each. The next deal will be on Coppertone Sun Care, and it's on the deal of spend 20 get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Coppertone sunscreen, priced at $12.49 each, and both will total $24.98. Use 2 of the $2 hang tags. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $20.49, and you get $10 extra care box back. Then check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on each, and that will be a total of $5, making both items just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Another option I have for the spend 20 get $10 bag is by picking up 2 of the Coppertone face, priced at $12.99 each. Both will total $25.98. Use 2 of the $2 hang tag, and that will drop it down to $21.98, and you get $10 extra care box back. With these 2 products, it's giving back $3.50 on Ibotta. That will be a total of $7. And after the $7 back, these 2 items will end up costing just $4.98 or $2.49 each. And one more thing, check your email to see if you received any sun care CRT. If I remember correctly, last week Tuesday, I received a 3 off 9 sun care CRT that expired on the 19th. I wasn't able to use it, so make sure you're checking your email in case you have one of those. Then apply it to this deal, adjust your math, and it will end up being a better deal. The next deal I have is buy any gold bond powder, you get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the gold bond body powder spray, priced at $9.99. We currently don't have any coupon in the app for this. I scanned this product and nothing came up. Pay the $9.99 and get $3 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta because it's giving back $1.50. And after the rebate, this will end up costing just $5.49 only. Another way you can do this deal, if you don't mind paying out of pocket, if you have a 40% off CRT, use it with this deal. That will drop it down to $5.99, and you get $3 extra care box back. And submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it just $1.49 only. Dial products on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the Dial hand soap, priced at $4.29. The second one with the 40% off will be $2.57. Both items are going to total $6.86. Pay the $6.86 and get $3 extra care box back. And that will end up making both products just $3.86 or $1.93 each. Another way you can do this deal, if you don't want to pick up the hand soap, is by picking up 2 of the 3 bars, priced at $4.69. The 2 packs will total $7.50, and you get $3 extra care box back. And that will make them just $4.50 or $2.25 each. If you prefer the Yardley bar soap, my store currently have it on sale for $1.99. Be on the lookout for it. The next 2 items I have in this video is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Palmolive dish soap. They're on sale for buy one get one free, and the cheapest one at my store is priced at $4.99. Pick up two. We have a 75 cents off digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.24 for both, or $2.12 each. The next deal is on Curel lotion. It's on the deal of buy one get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one. The cheapest my store have is priced at $10.29. I don't have any coupon for this product, and I checked the app, and I also checked Ibotta. There is nothing coming up, but I know I've seen in the past some rebates in Ibotta, so check yours and see if you have any. Without any coupon, pay the $10.29 and get $3 extra care box back. That will end up making it just $7.29. The next deal is on Clean and Clear facial care. They're on the deal of spend 10 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one. Pick up the Advantage Acne Spot Treatment, priced at $10.29. Pay the $10.29 and get $5 extra care box back, making it just $5.29. If you have the 40% off email CRT, using it with this deal will drop it down to $6.17, and you get $5 extra care box back, making it just $1.17. The next deal I have is on Suave Hair Care or Deodorant 2.2 ounces, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. One will be full price, and the second one will be $1.60. Both will total $4.79. We don't have any coupon in our app for this when I checked. Pay the $4.79 and get $2 extra care box back, making both just $2.79 or $1.40 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Aussie Hair Care. They are part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 extra care box back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. They are priced at $5.19, and the second one will be $2.60. These two products will total $7.79. We don't have any coupon for the Aussie Hair Care. That means you pay the $7.79 and get $4 extra care box back, and that will end up making both just $3.79 or $1.90 each. The last deal I have in this video is the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one, and this will be an all digital deal. Pick up two of the Airwick Essential One Warmer One Refill. They are priced at $7.79 each. Pick up one Febreze Small Spaces, priced at $4.29. The last item to pick up with this deal will be the Lysol Air Sanitizer, priced at $11.29. The total for these four items will be $31.16. We have a BOGO coupon for the Airwick that will take off a total of $7. And for the Febreze Small Spaces, we have a $2.30 digital coupon. And for the Lysol Air Sanitizer, we have 50 cents off any one Lysol digital coupon. With these three coupons, it will drop it down to $21.36, and you get $10 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the Lysol Air Sanitizer. After the rebate, it will end up making these four items just $8.36 or $2.09 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.